Judd out on the porch. How you doing? We got rain. No work today. We got rain. Woo! Pretty good blow, too. Beautiful, beautiful rain. Water my monkey grass. It's funny, I was just about to head out to the store to get some lumber, which I tied to the roof of my car to get home. And now it's all wet. So I'll have to do that later. This is only going to last a few minutes and then it'll be a hot afternoon, so I'll probably get something done later. But this is a good start to the day. I like rain.
Yeah, I had the white balance on this thing set wrong all along. Hi, Judd here. As you saw, it was raining, and between that and the fact that by the time I got back from the store, I was just totally exhausted. I pushed myself too much yesterday. I ended up not doing any work today. I did have a nice nap, which actually ran into the evening, and so now I've gotten up and I'm going to change the light bulb in my microwave, which is different than fixing a porch. So this is not fixing a porch. This is fixing a microwave. This is my Toshiba microwave oven, 1300 watts. I got it in 1990 when I bought my house in Revere. It was state-of-the-art at the time, as it had the rotating and up and down dish in it, which was a new thing at the time for even cooking. And it's still a fine microwave. It cooks by smell and all sorts of stuff. I never used that, but anyway, the light bulb went out about 6 months ago, and light bulbs in microwaves are not easy to change. They're not actually intended to ever be changed. They're supposed to last a lifetime, but I keep things longer than their lifetime. So anyways, I take the cover off. You take all the screws off the back, and then it just slides off these tabs, and then you can lift it out, but I don't need to lift it out because I just got to get right here. That's where the light bulb is, or was, and it's just hanging by a screw here into this big open space, and it's a very fancy little thing. These are the wires to it, and let me show it to you. Okay, this is it. You see it's got this porcelain base and the light bulb, but the light bulb does not come out. The light bulb is fixed into this base, and for a replacement for this, they want $41. I'm sorry, $42 plus shipping, I imagine. And that just hangs on that screw in that compartment. Plenty of room in that compartment. So I'm just going to substitute in a candelabra base and a regular light bulb that screws into a candelabra base. Not a regular light bulb, but an appliance light bulb that screws into a candelabra base, and I can just hang that in there. And it's going to save me over $30. I found that there were various appliance bulbs that used either a miniature or a candelabra fixture. Nobody had a candelabra fixture, though, or a miniature fixture. I couldn't find that. We got lousy supply houses down here. If I was up in Boston, I'd know where to get this. So anyways, I finally found this, which was a corded candelabra socket. And since this is not a fitted piece, I can just hang this in there, or just, secure it with one of its tabs, because it makes no difference. It cost me $5. And I got an LED light bulb for it, and that cost me $5. So both of those prices I think were a little high for what these are, but I mean, I should have been able to buy a candelabra socket for like $2, and the bulb, well, I got the LED bulb, so that was extra. The regular bulb was like $3. In either case, it beats the heck out of $41. Those wires had tabs on them to go on to the fitting that it was made for. I'm going to cut those tabs off and just connect the wires to this wire. I'll cut off a piece of this wire and just connect the wires here. And I just got a big insect in my house. Hello, big insect in my house. This light is not for you. So I'm just going to cut that wire off and wire it in there and just hang this thing in there. And I'll show you that when I get it done. I forgot to turn the camera on. Anyway, basically, you can see I wired up the new fixture to this, put it in there, and it's just hanging in there with some tape because I had nothing to secure it with. But it's not a movable item. It's just going to sit there, and it works. Hey, works. Okay, so now just put this back together. This just slides back up here. Gotta make sure you get the sides and the top in at the same time. And that's good. And then I gotta put in screws on the sides and the back to secure it, and we're all done. So happy day to you.